Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on a conversation view in your Gmail application. So let's get started. So of course first we need to open the Gmail app. In the app you'll need to tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and tap on settings. Now select the account you want to change the settings for. I'm gonna use mine right here. And scroll through the menu, look for the conversation view, and if it's disabled and you want to enable it, you can check the box right here. And basically what it does, it groups emails with the same topic together. So basically, if you have some emails with the same topic, it will group them together to look like a conversation, basically. So we can enable it, then tap on Got It. Then you can reboot the app, and the changes should be applied. And that's how you enable the conversation view in the Gmail application. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.